So, your Snowshock has arrived. But now what? First, you need to make sure everything is there. Here's what you should have in the box. Your machine, your easy start guide, and some lubrication. Everything there? Great! Now there are just a couple of things to do before you can start turning this into this. Find a spot for your machine with plenty of space either side. Then, empty the tanks and remove them along with these things. Run some hot water and add some antibacterial agent. We also need to wash anything that's going to come into contact with the slush and make sure it's clean and safe to use. Then, dry them off and put them back together. Make sure you lubricate these parts when you do. At Snowshock, our secret recipe for making the perfect slush goes back over 10 years and has been passed from one generation to another. Actually, it's water and syrup mixed together in these amounts. This much syrup, and then you add this much water, and you're done. Now, all you need to do is fill it up. Flip the switches, wait, and enjoy.